Welcome to Math Practice Test. Let's begin. Question 1. Read the following sentence. The swift runner quickly won the race. Which word is an adverb? Here are your options. Option A, swift. Option B, runner. Option C, quickly. Option D, won. The correct answer is option C, quickly. Explanation. An adverb modifies a verb, adjective, or another adverb. Quickly modifies the verb won by describing how the race was won. Question 2. Which of the following represents a deductive reasoning process? Here are your options. Option A. Drawing a general conclusion from specific observations. Option B. Starting with a general premise to reach a specific, logical conclusion. Option C. Making an educated guess based on patterns. Option D. Relying on intuition to solve a problem. The correct answer is option B. Starting with a general premise to reach a specific, logical conclusion. Explanation. Deductive reasoning starts with a general rule or premise and applies it to a specific case to reach a guaranteed conclusion. Question 3. What is the main purpose of a thesis statement in an essay? Here are your options. Option A. To hook the reader's attention. Option B. To summarize the conclusion. Option C. To state the main idea or argument of the essay. Option D. To list all the sources used in the text. The correct answer is option C. To state the main idea or argument of the essay. Explanation. A thesis statement clearly outlines the main argument or central idea of an essay, guiding the direction of the text. Question 4. Which of these fractions is equivalent to 0.75? Here are your options. Option A. 1 or 2. Option B. 3 or 4. Option C. 2 or 3. Option D. 4 or 5. The correct answer is option B. 3 or 4. Explanation. 0.75 can be expressed as 75 or 100, which simplifies to 3 or 4 when divided by 25. Question 5. Identify the synonym for the word ubiquitous. Here are your options. Option A. Rare. Option B. Costly. Option C. Omnipresent. Option D. Hidden. The correct answer is option C. Omnipresent. Explanation. Ubiquitous means present, appearing, or found everywhere, making omnipresent its direct synonym. Question 6. If a train travels at 60 miles per hour, how far will it travel in 2.5 hours? Here are your options. Option A. 120 miles. Option B. 150 miles. Option C. 180 miles. Option D. 100 miles. The correct answer is option B. 150 miles. Explanation. Distance equals speed asterisk time. 60 miles per hour asterisk 2.5 hours equals 150 miles. Question 7. What is the primary function of the executive branch of the U.S. government? Here are your options. Option A. To make laws. Option B. To interpret laws. Option C. To enforce laws. Option D. To review the constitutionality of laws. The correct answer is option C. To enforce laws. Explanation. The executive branch, led by the president, is responsible for enforcing and implementing the laws passed by the legislative branch. Question 8. Which of the following words is spelled correctly? Here are your options. Option A. Accommodate. Option B. Accommodate. Option C. Accommodate. Option D. Accommodate. The correct answer is option B. Accommodate. Explanation. The correct spelling is accommodate, featuring a double C and a double M. Question 9. What is the next number in the sequence 2, 6, 12, 20? Here are your options. Option A. 24. Option B. 28. Option C. 30. Option D. 32. The correct answer is option C. 30. Explanation. The sequence adds increasing even numbers, plus 4, plus 6, plus 8. The next addition should be plus 10, 20 plus 10 equals 30. Question 10. Which literary device involves giving human characteristics to non-human things? Here are your options. Option A. Simile. Option B. Metaphor. Option C. Personification. Option D. Hyperbole. The correct answer is option C. Personification. Explanation. Personification assigns human traits or qualities to inanimate objects, animals, or abstract ideas. Question 11. If 5x 10 equals 20, what is the value of x? Here are your options. Option A. 5, option B. 6, option C. 7, option D. 8. The correct answer is option B. 6. Explanation. Add 10 to both sides to get 5x equals 30. Divide by 5 to get x equals 6. Question 12. Who wrote the play Romeo and Juliet? Here are your options. Option A. Charles Dickens. Option B. William Shakespeare. Option C. Jane Austen. Option D. Mark Twain. The correct answer is option B. William Shakespeare. Explanation. Romeo and Juliet is a tragedy written by William Shakespeare early in his career. Question 13. Which of the following is a primary source of historical information? Here are your options. Option A. A textbook chapter on the Civil War. Option B. A documentary film about ancient Rome. Option C. A diary written by a soldier during World War II. Option D. A biography of Abraham Lincoln published in 2020. The correct answer is option C. A diary written by a soldier during World War II. Explanation. Primary sources are original, first-hand accounts of an event, such as diaries, letters, or original documents from the time period. Question 14. What is the antonym of the word benevolent? Here are your options. Option A. Kind. Option B. Malevolent. Option C. Generous. Option D. Apathetic. The correct answer is option B. Malevolent. Explanation. Benevolent means well-meaning and kindly. Its direct antonym is malevolent, which means having or showing a wish to do evil to others. Question 15. A shirt originally costs $40. It is on sale for 25% off. What is the sale price? Here are your options. Option A, $10. Option B, $25. Option C, $30. Option D, $35. The correct answer is option C, $30. Explanation. 25% of 40 is 10. Subtract the discount from the original price, 40 to 10 equals $30. Question 16. Which branch of physics deals with the study of heat and temperature? Here are your options. Option A. Optics. Option B. Mechanics. Option C. Thermodynamics. Option D. Acoustics. The correct answer is option C. Thermodynamics. Explanation. Thermodynamics is the branch of physics that deals with heat, work, and temperature, and their relation to energy, radiation, and physical properties of matter. Question 17. What is the central theme of a literary work? Here are your options. Option A. The sequence of events in the story. Option B. The underlying message or main idea the author wants to convey. Option C. The time and place where the story occurs. Option D. The turning point of the narrative. The correct answer is option B. The underlying message or main idea the author wants to convey. Explanation. The theme is the universal underlying message or central concept explored throughout a literary work. Question 18. If you rearrange the letters suffix, you would have the name of A, N. Here are your options. Option A. Ocean. Option B. Country. Option C. City. Option D. Animal. The correct answer is option A. Ocean. Explanation. Rearranging the letters suffix spells Pacific, which is an ocean. Question 19. Which of the following best defines plagiarism? Here are your options. Option A. Using multiple sources to support an argument. Option B. Presenting someone else's work or ideas as your own without proper citation. Option C. Collaborating with a peer on a group project. Option D. Paraphrasing a concept with appropriate references. The correct answer is option B. Presenting someone else's work or ideas as your own without proper citation. Explanation. Plagiarism is the unethical practice of using another person's intellectual property, ideas, or writing and passing it off as one's own without credit. Question 20. Evaluate the expression 8 plus 2 asterisk 5 to 3, caret 2. Here are your options. Option A, 16, option B, 12, option C, 24, option D, 32. The correct answer is option A, 16. Explanation. Following order of operations, PEMDAS parentheses, 5 to 3 equals 2, exponents, 2 squared equals 4, multiplication, 2 asterisk 4 equals 8, addition, 8 plus 8 equals 16.